Hello, students. I'm going to show you today how to use ESL Library. You're going to go down to week 4 and you will click here where it says esllibrary.com. Then you're going to click sign up and you need to choose I'm a teacher or I'm a student. We're going to choose I am a student. I have to erase my information here. Oh, come on. Okay. So you're going to put in your name. Then you're going to click next. And you can decide if you want to save that. I'm not going to. Then you're going to create a password. Do you want to add an email address? You should say yes, add. And you're going to type in your email. And then you're going to click yes, add. And again, you can choose to save that. I'm going to say no. Now you get to pick an avatar. I'm going to choose the cat. And I click next. Okay, welcome Maria. Here's my username, my email address. Now you're going to click join a class. Okay, so you need your class code from your teacher. You go back up here. Do you see how I did that? So I'm here. I'm going to go back up to this tab here. That's our class. Here it is. 905164. Go back into the class. Then I just go ahead and type it. Now I can't remember it. 905164. And then you click join class. Okay, so now you are in that's my first name, Alida Uta Atu's class. Go to dashboard. This is where your assignments will be. So here's the class, multi-level conversation. Food. Here are the assignments. You don't need to do all of them. You can choose to do all of them. That would be wonderful. And a lot of these are image matching. Let's look at this one. Match the images to the correct words. Banana. So you cannot click and drag. You only click it and then you click where it goes. Peach. Turkey. Oh, I guess we have to click this first and then the word. Mushroom. Cauliflower. Hamburger. And then you're going to click I'm finished. Excellent work. You can review your answers or go back to the assignments. And now you can choose another one. Let's choose this. Complete the sentences. Start. This is a hamburger. I like fast food. This is a muffin. This is a taco. This is a slice of pizza. What is this? This is a banana. This is a peach. It is juicy. Submit. Perfect. You got 6 out of 6. Go back to assignments. So that is how you do it. Okay, so you just click start and complete the activity. I don't know why it says unopened. That is weird. But that's how you do this. You can go back to the dashboard if you want to see if there are other assignments to complete. And there are not. Okay? So if you have questions, you can always email me. But that is how you do the assignment.